안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup. I've lived in Korea for nearly half my life and every week I cook a new Korean dish. 안녕하세요. Welcome to Next Matchup. Today we're cooking kimbap using these memilnon. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup. 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 Today we're cooking 돌나무 사과 무침. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup. Today we're going to use these beautiful Korean spring greens to make bibimbap. Oi! That means cucumber in Korean, and today I'm making oi muchim. Oi means cucumber, and muchim is muchim. It's basically salad. Let's make cucumber salad, Korean style. This week I'm using this ingredient here. It's nunge sungma, buckwheat noodles. Normally kimbap has rice, but this time we're going to take the rice and we're not going to use the rice. We're going to use these noodles. We take these things, put them together. Ugh. This week I'm making acorn jelly. Today we're cooking bibimbap. If you love noodles, then you're going to love this dish. We're cooking memilguksu. These fresh ingredients are so good. It's a beautiful morning, so let's get started. bibimbap. You've got to bibimbap. It's called bibimbap, right? So you've got to mix it. Bibimbap is mix. Bibimbap means mix. The mixing is so important. Oh, you got to mix this up. Mixing bibimbap, that's what it's all about. That is how you make noodles. It's a lot of noodles. It's too much noodles. Let's get a little bit of noodle. I don't even know how I'm gonna eat this. Let's just take a bite. That's the taste of Korea. Right there. Beautiful. Trick with these is to stab it with your thing like this. It's so slippery. In Korea, we have something called sam, which is like wrap. Basically, sam is to wrap something. And in this case, this is the best thing you could use to wrap. It's got the flavors all there, a bit of pork, a bit of beef fried up. Oh, it'd go so well with this. But it can even go perfectly just by itself. Oh. just like this. Look at that. You don't get much better than that. Oh, gotta break this up. Oh, oh, this is beautiful. I should get a look at this. It's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Oh, this is the best part of the dish. We mix it up. Oh, can you see that? Oh, get it all. Oh, Thai food never tasted so good. Okay, let's try these things. They look okay and they definitely smell okay. Oh, beautiful dilgiram. The perilla oil smells so good. Let's try. Well, this looks delicious. Let's get in. Let's eat this. Yeah, that's to die for. Oh, this is great. Perfect.